Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. If you have written your CA final examinations in January 2021 attempt and got failed in the results announced on March 21st, 2021, then this video is meant for you, my dear students. First of all, come out of negative thinking that failure is bad. No, failure is good. Failure will make you stronger. Failure will teach you wonderful lessons. Failure will tell you that you are going in the wrong direction. Failure will help you to question yourself. There are numerous number of advantages in failure. First of all, come out of that negative thought that failure is bad. So don't forget that you are doing a professional course where success and failure will be treated equally. And don't forget that there are large number of students who were even unable to reach to this stage. You have already reached the stage of CA final. That means you are already great when compared to that of all such students who have not even joined for this course, and some of the students who were unable to reach your stage. That's why think positively. Failure is common for everyone. I have got failed. Your principal auditor might have got failed. My brother have got failed. So everyone might have got seen failure at one stage or the other. And it's better to get failed in the education rather than your career. So once you see the failure here itself, there are very good chances that you will have a bright career in the future. So if you are unable to come out of the thought process of negative thought process of failure, don't worry, I have a video meant for you. I have nicely done a video on this particular aspect and uploaded the same in the YouTube. I am leaving the link of that particular video in cards of this particular video section. Look at the top right corner. So you will find the link of that video. Click that link and watch that video without fail. So you can understand and you can know the strategies to come out of negative thinking of failure. And the second thing you need to do is spend some quality time. Try to analyze the reasons for your failure and set right those reasons. The most probable reason for your failure is home preparation. So you might have really observed the difference. So preparing at college is entirely different from preparing at home. So it's better to prepare. It's better to come to college and prepare rather than continuing in home preparation. I think you might also be coming to the same conclusion. You might also realize that home preparation will not work out for CA course. It's better to come to college and study. So, and third important thing you need to do is, please do apply for certified copies. Whether you have written your examinations well or not, whether you are confident of qualifying or not, even if you know the reasons for your failure, please do apply for certified copies. Certified copies are very important. Sir, I am in confusion whether to apply for certified copies or verification of answer books. No second thought, apply for certified copies. Do you want more details? Don't worry. I have already made a video and uploaded the same in the YouTube in the same channel. So I am leaving the link of that video in cards. Look at the top right corner. You can find the video link. Click that link, watch that video, and you can know complete information about the difference between verification of answer books and certified copies and what is the significance of certified copies. And we have also told you in that video the step-by-step procedure to be followed to apply for certified copies as well as verification of answer books. Sir, someone told that certified copies can be applied through RTI by just paying 2 rupees. Yes, it is correct. So in the same video, we have even told you the procedure to apply for certified copies through RTI Act also. You can follow that procedure also and apply for certified copies. Once you got the certified copies, spend some quality time, evaluate your own papers. So identify the mistakes that you have done and take some concrete steps to see that you don't commit the same mistakes again. If you are confused and unable to identify your own mistakes, don't worry. So send those certified copies to my mail ID. I will tell you what are the mistakes committed by you in the examinations. I am leaving my mail ID details in the description of this video. So please look at the description. You can find my mail ID and send the certified copies to my mail ID. I am ready to help you. Even if you don't belong to Masterminds, I am ready to help you. Don't worry. And So what are the services that Masterminds is providing from their end? The first service that we are going to provide is study hours and revision exams. Yes, what you have heard is correct. Just like you have experienced the service of study hours and revision exams at your foundation and CA inter level in Masterminds, similarly we offer that service at CA final level also. Every year thousands of students are availing the benefit of study hours and revision exams, and in each attempt at CA final level at least 1000 students are getting qualified after appearing for our service of study hours and revision examinations. And in every attempt we are getting around 5 to 7 ranks in CA final, and all of them are attending our study hours and revision exams service. As a part of this service, we will make you to sit for the whole day and study well, and weekly twice we will be conducting examinations. On the first day of your admission itself, we will provide you a fixed schedule, and you need to plan your preparation as per that fixed schedule. So there are several test series available in the market, but the unfortunate thing in test series is they don't provide you a fixed plan. But Masterminds revision exams is entirely different. We will provide you a fixed plan, and based on that, if you prepare, you can comfortably appear for your public exams well. So you can come and attend the study hours physically. So that is the best part. So I am aware that home preparation will not work out. That's why we have curated this service for your sake. Now this service is available in Guntur as well as all our branches, that is Vijayawada, Rajahmundry, Vizag, Kurnool, Nellore, Tirupati, Amirpet as well as Dilshuk Nagar. If you are interested to join in this service, so please make a call to the mobile number given in the description of this video. They will provide you all the fee particulars. Sir, I am very much interested to attend for revision exams being conducted by Masterminds, but I cannot attend study hours physically due to some reasons. Then we have one more service for you, that is called Masterminds test series. As a part of this service, we will just conduct revision exams, and you can appear for these revision exams right from your home. There are several people who offer test series service, but our test series service is entirely different. In case of our test series, we have a fixed schedule, and it is sufficient for you to prepare as per that fixed schedule. That is the first major difference between other test series available in the market and the test series being provided in Masterminds. And the second thing is, several test series providers don't evaluate your papers, but we will evaluate your papers. We evaluate your papers, and we will provide a valuation report to you. By looking at the valuation report, you can identify the mistakes committed by you. So that is another beautiful service being offered by Masterminds. And sir, along with study hours, is it possible to attend coaching for 1 or 2 subjects? Yes, it is possible. For that purpose, you need to install our app, Android app, Masterminds online classes. Install that app. So provide the login details and start searching for CA final related videos. You can find subject wise coaching videos for each of the subjects of CA final. You can choose subject of your choice, pay the amount, and start watching the videos without any human intervention. So in that manner, you can attend subject wise coaching for all the subjects of CA final, my dear students. And the best part is, we have even provided videos of some selective chapters in each of the subjects. That means if you are not interested to take coaching for the entire subject, then you can take coaching for few selective chapters also. Even that facility is also available in our Masterminds online classes app. And for few subjects, even rapid revision patches are available. As a part of that service, we will be revising the entire subject of CA final in just 30 to 40 hours. The best part is, you can watch all these videos without any human intervention, and you can start directly watching the videos. All these services are available in Masterminds online classes app, and you can even purchase Masterminds test series from that Masterminds online classes app itself. If you are still confused what to do, don't worry. Send a mail to me. I will guide you personally what is the course of action you need to do. So please do install our Masterminds online classes app. If you want to avail any of the services being offered by Masterminds, then you need to contact our mobile number. So our mobile number is already provided in the description of this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload a latest video, you can get the notification. And please do visit our website, that is mastermindsindia.com, and please do follow our Facebook and Instagram pages, Masterminds for CA, for latest updates. With respect to these study hours and revision examinations, we have designed separate schedules for Group 1 and Group 2 of CA final new syllabus. Unfortunately, we have not designed any schedules for old syllabus students. That means this service is not available for old syllabus students. This service is available only for the students of new syllabus, and separate schedules for Group 1 and Group 2, and under each schedule, so weekly twice we will be conducting examinations. And another good news is that very soon we are going to release schedule, that is we are going to conduct study hours and revision exams for CMA final students also for June 2021 attempt. So very soon we will be launching that service also. So, and that service will also be available in all our branches, and students can even attend just revision exams under a service called Masterminds Test Series. Of course, there will be only one schedule for CMA final, that is both group schedule. So under both group schedule, we will be conducting weekly twice examinations, and students of single group shall also follow the same schedule. So with respect to students of single group, they need to appear for only one exam a week, but for the students of both groups, we will be conducting 2 exams a week. The service of study hour will be common for CA final as well as CMA final students, and this service will also be available in Guntur as well as all our branches. All the best.